Hello friends, Strictly Average here, strictlyaveragemmtg.com. We are here with our month of April pack openings for our patrons. We have 6 packs of Amonkhet and 3 packs of Modern Masters 2017. Puka Minute podcast won one of the Modern Masters packs, and he's a good friend. He has a great podcast. What we're going to do is, instead of me opening that for him, he's going to open it on his cast after he gets it, so I'm going to mail him the entire pack. So let's get started with our Amonkhet packs. This is Woolly Wookiees. Labyrinth Guardians, Destined to Lead, Nissa. Sweet. Next pack is going to Seacross. You know, Puka Minute makes this look so much easier when he does these packs. I might even made that joke last month. Seraph of the Suns, Harvest Season, and a Full Art Plains. And a neat token. Next pack is going up to Harathis. New Perspectives. Not a great pack. Sorry, pal. This one's going to go to CN Wizard, but my Discord chat just informed me that this pack is actually going to go to Woolly Wookie. There was a little traderoo on the sleeves that Wooly won, and they're trading for the value in the pack. So hopefully CN doesn't feel too bad about the pack he gave up. And a head and a full art plant, a forest. Next pack is going to Kripal. Rags to Riches, and a Full Art Swamp. And the last Amonkhet pack is going to Delaire Bear. By Force is actually great uncommon. Cast Out's pretty popular. And Mouth to Feed. On to our Modern Masters 2017 packs. 10, 10, 10, 10 Binary Guy. Bach, Hellrider, Foil Thunderous Wrath, Mech. And the last Modern Masters pack is going to Inexplicably. Evil Twin, blah. Foil Gorklan Rampager. Not, yeah. Beautiful looking card, terrible value. Thanks for tuning in, and for those of us who missed the drawing video, next month we're going to be giving away a Tarmogoyf from Modern Masters 2017. In order to be eligible for that Tarmogoyf, you're going to need to spend $5 or more on the Patreon patron. The link will be in the show notes. Thank you, have a great day.